am a manufacturing engineer for the Skywalker manufacturing line, and specifically, I've been in charge of the instrument performance tester.
We're working on the line, building the instruments, and what I'm doing in particular is I'm training the technicians to the stations. What I like about teaching other people is that I get to share my knowledge with people that don't know that station yet, and once I share my knowledge, they're able to share with other people as well.
I get to watch the line improve and develop from the beginning to what it is right now. Seeing DB5 in real life will make me feel very proud of every single technician that helped improve and develop this process.
I'm really excited about the DB5 launch because it's a new system, especially the force feedback instruments gives the surgeons a level of feedback that hasn't been felt before.
I believe intuitive is the future of healthcare, surgery, robotics, so it's been a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. About 7 or so years ago, I remember seeing at D&E Day, Skywalker when we still had the shape fiber sensor and really being able to feel the force. And then 4 years ago, I transferred to the Skywalker team, and here we are now, about to launch. In the latest D&E Day in 2023, I was there giving demos to other people, and it's so gratifying to be able to hear new engineers coming to see the product for the first time and saying, wow, I can really feel the force with this product.
I've been working with the endoscope DB5 product line for about 4 years now, through the various stages of development. We have now gotten it to the point of a sustaining product, which our patients are now able to utilize in the near future.
We know that the camera is where everything starts. The surgeons really need to be able to see, and getting those extra details in the upgraded camera, I think it sets an overall foundation for the system and for all of our other products.
My job is repairing and troubleshoot the issue, installing and testing the prototype. I know that my team will contribute to the product development and bring it into the market.
Been here since the beginning, so I kind of watched it evolve to become what it is now, and it's fun and it's cool. We hire a lot of really good people, high character people. I get along with them, I have fun with them.
Everyone is interested in helping. I have never once reached out for help with an issue, a problem, support that I needed, and I've never been told no or we can't get to that. Others are always willing to step in and help you get over your challenge, because everybody understands the sooner we overcome the small challenges, the sooner the big challenges get overcome.
E200 generator is used to power instrument for the DB5 system. I am proud to be a part of a world-class team, and this product will help out a lot of people down the line.
The E200 generator goes into the vision part of the DB5 system, provides reliable energy, and should help the surgeon's job be easier and the patient outcomes be better.
There's a lot to do, right? I feel like we're in the intersection of a product being designed and actually producing it. So, we're taking it from more of a concept earlier on to getting it to build at volume and build efficiently. So that's kind of our role. So, our team wears a lot of hats.
I work with a really great team. They're very diligent in what they do, very thorough, and I can see that they enjoy and have a passion for building this generator.
There's folks that have started here as contract employees, as temps, and they're now leads, and seeing them grow within the company, my growth within the company, others folks' growth within the company. There's so many opportunities. It's just a fantastic company to work for, and I'm very grateful to be working here.
I just want to say a huge thank you to my team. This is the culmination of years of hard work and teamwork across engineering, supply chain, operations, training.
I want to say thank you to my team. I'm very proud of all the achievements they have accomplished so far, and with the enthusiasm that they're ready for the launch of this product.
It's been wonderful to see the team come together. Whenever you launch a new product, it never works out as planned. There's always hiccups in the road. And when this cross-functional team gets together, brainstorms, and finds solution, and seeing those solutions produce results has been very, very rewarding. And so, I want to recognize all the folks for that. So good job.
What I've seen here has been amazing. Being able to witness all the growth we've had, being part of, now the 5th product platform launch that we have with the DV5, it really is a testament to what we're capable of, not as individuals, but as team. On the production floor, 2 years ago, we didn't have any of these new products for DV5. Now you look, we have 3 new lines, and each one of the lines are now producing products in preparation for our DV5 launch. Thank you for all your efforts, and thank you for all you do.